Looking cute and looking demure.
Yes, we is, honey.
We're making our way to recess. They got some small stuff. I got obviously the big one because
She a fat ass.
just the Eiffel Tower.
It's in Paris.
Oh, demonetized right there.
Yes.
Hey guys, I didn't even introduce the vlog properly. Oh my god. Again. Hi guys, it's Louisa and I'm back with another video. This is a Paris vlog if you haven't realized already. What? Yeah, I had to start again because this morning was a bit chaotic. I'm in Paris. We're here for recess. We're going to recess Paris and I'm excited. I'm excited. My face looks mwah. My outfit looks mwah. My jewelry look mwah. Listen, I'm lit. I'm lit. The only thing that's not lit is the weather. Let's talk about the weather right now. Why are you raining when we're here to party? Paris. I love what I did there. I love what I did there. I just need to set my face quickly and I'm just waiting for the girlies. I'm always the one that finishes early. Tell us about your outfit.
Denim on denim today.
We love it.
Primark,
we love it.
Primark.
Yeah.
Adidas.
PLT on the bottom. Shein on the top.
Right.
I see all my jewelry from Shein and Primark. Adidas on the bottom and my bag. I left it outside, but let me grab it.
Oh.
You love one dish.
Cuties. Very cute, very demure.
Hello.
She's from New Balance.
Who?
Her one from Shein.
Yeah.
From Shein. Next is from Shein. Here is from Shein. Back from Shein.
It's your turn. Julie. Yes, looking cute and looking demure.
Yes, we is, honey.
Outside. We outside. Oh, they left me outside. Guys, we're just in the car now. We're making our way to recess. Have you got oh no, it's different. Bluetooth. Yeah. I'm having a deja vu. It's scary.
So suckers, niggas are loyal. Okay, it's my shot. I got your gun and go bang for bang. Fuck that, we can go in. Shorty like the way all out. I began cash, door I go all out. Short frequency the
Okay, let's try this again. Memory card just disappeared. Today is day 2 going exploring today, so we're going into Paris center. We are very in the outskirts right now, like basically not in Paris. We're gonna explore a little bit. I just ate this cake. Why is everything in Paris or in France so sugary? Like, my tooth is hurting. Okay, so outfit of the day, I've got this top is from Pull&Bear. It's backless. Cutie pie. The shorts are from H&M, and got my track on. Oh, my jewels. Maximizing jewelry is just something I love right now. These ones here, they're from Shein, by the way. And I'm wearing my Von Dutch again today. So this is the fit. I need a picture. This is so cute.
You can take one at the Tower of the Eiffel.
Yeah.
So pretty. It pays to look good, you know.
You can. We are in Paris. Girls trip! Woo! We are currently in Saint-Lazare.
In a French, but what kind of contract do they have with
McDonald's. McDonald's in every flipping corner.
In Paris, on Rue de la Street.
Yeah, I think.
Looking for food. Still got to look at the Louvre Museum. And then what else?
We go home.
Jesus Christ. He was walking into me. Go back to the hotel.
What's the manners in this place?
Change, get ready for dinner. Maybe go out tonight, have a blast. This is our last full day in Paris and we're gonna make it count. Okay, au revoir, bye. Just practicing my vlogging skills.
That's the channel now. Okay.
I thought it was a little pot.
Demolished. That was so good. Yeah.
Give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane, my mind, running to the other side, when it's time to leave my life.
Guys, we just had the Louvre just behind me. Nuts that is. Let's go.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it.
We out for dinner. We are at Shinko.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise on board. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we need.
Just the Eiffel Tower.
It's in Paris!
Oh, demonetized right there.
We're supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey that's for the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from
Hello. Final day in Paris. We are currently on the bikes, chilling, touring Paris right now. Returning right, taking a video.
Ah, vous?
What are we about to eat at?
We're about to eat a pretty one straight. Burgers, you know.
Burgers. They got some small stuff. I got obviously the big one because
She a fat ass.
yeah, big back myself today. Yes, love. Not very well done. I want it like
Well done.
Take a picture here or face. The face is here.
Bottle water.
big back activities right here.
Big bag.
I'm sorry. That's why blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. I'm with the light. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music, me excited. I'm coming like